Welcome, in front of me is MOTOROLA Razr 60 Ultra, and today I will show you what to do if your face unlock feature doesn't recognize your face. So the first thing you have to do in this case is set up a new face to unlock your device. So let's go into settings, select security and privacy, then select device unlock, face unlock. Let's proceed with the password. Now let's delete all previous face data. Go back into this menu. And before we add a new face, let's wipe the camera of our phone to make the image clearer. Use the dry towel to do this. And once you're done, also check if your room has a proper lighting so that you can see your face clearly in the camera. And then let's proceed tapping setup once again, and then move the phone's camera to your face, and let's try and add another face to the face unlocking feature. And once you're done, tap next. And before we proceed, let's also check if our device is fully up to date. So let's go back into settings, select system updates, and check for updates on your Motorola. And if you have any updates to install, please take your time and do it. This might also improve the face unlock feature quality. And before we proceed, let's also try and restart our phone in order to make sure that everything works smoothly. Now let's wait for our device to boot up. And after your phone turns on, let's try and use the feature one more time. So let's lock our phone and try to let the phone recognize our face. And it went pretty smoothly for me. And that's if it helped you too, please let us know in the comments. If you liked the video, consider subscribing to our channel, leave a nasty like, and see you next time.